कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
Our motto has always been to serve the people. स्वतःच्यानी लोकांपासून कितें जालें करपाक, न्यू add-ons करपाक, आमगे पण existing आहा. What we were last time, we want to be better. Last year, what we were at this time, we want to be better this year. Next year, we want to be even better than what we are today. So, आमगे initiative, right initiative बाहेर निघाले. तीन भितर new initiative एक start करता. So, we had a small center for blood testing, blood sugar, cholesterol and बारीक असताले आमकडे blood pressure, diabetes असताले. ती तो आता upgrade केले. So, we had tied up with a blood testing lab to do all this. Now we have gone one step away. We are planning to start an initiative for senior citizens, for everybody, and that is our holistic care initiative under my trust, Reginaldo Trust. In which we physiotherapy start to practice. Physiotherapy for neck pains, for back pains, slip disc, sciatica, young adults also, those who have problems. Sportsmen who have problems, knee injuries, जेका सर्जरी करू पडटा, ते सर्जरी अवॉइड, फिजियोथेरपी कोण अवॉइड करू मेळटा. All those problems, ती बारीकची जाल्यार almost 65% senior citizens have require physiotherapy. आम्ही physiotherapy आमगे constituency. We have started very small, from a blood test, from a small diabetes testing and pressure testing to physiotherapy, and आमगे next plan आहा एक home for the age group. So in line we want to slowly correct our mistakes. We want to improve. We want to correct our mistakes and go up. We might make new mistakes, but we want to do it nicely and systematically. We have another plan also where we want to collect some medicines. जी ओल्ड तुझे घराको उत्ता कि हम collect करून वका freely pass होता. We are not getting permissions from the food and drugs. We are trying again to see how best we can do it. All these things we look at. Finally, आमगे कॉन्फिडन्स. तीन दिवस मातशे सायडीचे कोण शेजाऱ्याचे लोक येता मातसो हांव ना म्हणून ना. आमगे कॉन्फिडन्स, आमची कॉन्फिडन्स म्हणटा आसतना कुर्तोरीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ही आमगेली सगळ्यांगेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हणून केन्ना मातशे भायले लोक येतात. वी कॅनॉट अवॉइड दॅट कंप्लिटली, पण आसता केन्ना ते सायडी शेजाऱ्याचे लोक येतात. But more so, it is for our constituency. So we will take up shoulder injuries, tennis elbow, muscle injuries, sprain in the ankle, arthritis, frozen shoulders, slip disc, all this, elbow, tennis elbow, all this we will be taking. Even sports injuries will be taken, but all on appointments. Plus we will be taking blood testing of cholesterol, and we will be taking some few, but we more likely T3, T4 cholesterol we want to take, which are the next easy living diseases. I'm not saying healthy living diseases, but easy living diseases. We want to take up manual therapy also, muscular skeletal treatment. We want to start specialized muscular skeletal treatment. We have got specially equipment ordered from Chennai. We have got nerve stimulations, trans-sectional electrical nerve systems stimulation, and other currents like paretic, galvanic currents. We are trying to get all equipments from somewhere, so that from Chennai. We want to start these things so that all these add-ons we want to start, so that आमगे लोकांक benefits जावपा. हे सगळे benefit कितें जातलो लोकांक, जे कोणा ट्रीटमेंट आहा, कोणा हेल्थ प्रॉब्लेम्स आहाय, गराबो आहाय, ते कोण पावना, तेंकाय मातसो आमगे हेल्प करपाक सुविधा आसतली. इवन खरें जर तर कोण जेन्युइन आहा, ते घरा बसून तिका हाडपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी हाडपाक रेडी आहा. जायत लोक आसताय, ग्रेस्तांनी सगळी काम करतात, बट जायत जाण भितर घरा आसताय, गरीब असतात, ते भायर सरनाय, ते खूंय भायर सरनाय, ते कोण कितें मोडीत म्हणे नाय, तेंक पासून हाडपाची आमगेली सुविधा आसतली. वी आर मेकिंग अरेंजमेंट्स दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू रीच द लास्ट मॅन हू डजंट, कोण पावना तेच पासून कळपाक आमगे प्लॅन आहा. वी डोंट कॉपी एनीबडी, वी डोंट फॉलो एनीबडी, वी मेक आवर ओन simple procedures which will help our people. In other words, we don't want to say we lead. We want to say we want to be leading people in service to the people of my constituents. Amge constituents. Am kit jaye. We don't want to lead also. We want to see am kit jaye. Ami first jobana काय आमका. आमी लोकांक सांगना आमी follow करतो. Follow करते ते गेले ते समा पडले गेली. तेंची आवले ना. आमी बारीक बारीक करून हे कळ्ळे करूंक सोदता. फायनली आमगे प्लॅन आहा एक होम फॉर द एज जावपाचो. तीन भितर आमी मिस्टेक जाता ते करेक्ट करून वयर येतले.